Baba Macingwane
Yebo.
ngiyakubona baba ujabule kakhulu
More than
ngifuna
happy.
ukhiphe lokho kusenhlitini yakho i-team yakho iwinile 1-0 iqualify ku final.
Yes, yeah, baba Mageza. Uyazi uMacingwane lo eThekwini bakwethu. Ngithi lana bakwethu mina ngihlale ngisho into eyodwa njena
baba.
there's nothing better than being an Orlando Pirates supporter.
Exactly.
Oh man, kade akhuluma lana ubaba umabasi ethi awu bakwethu sineyingane ezincane thi. Mase sibona sihlale sijabulile. Hayi Pirates ayisicabangele bakwethu. Hey, weekend in weekend out uyazi yabona futhi Pirates winile. Oh inhlala yenza uyayibona weekend out hayi man sijabulile man mabhaka ayasazi coach wethu asazi nje mabhakabhaka nti
you are
happy more than happy
Baba Macingwane
yes
ngifuna nothi ungitshele ngale final already Pirates iqualify ku final ilinze i-team leyi-1 between Golden Arrows neMarumo Gallants ngifuna ungitshele ukuthi kuyenzeka lani ku final njengoba Pirates iqualify
uyazi ke lana ke Mageza ngicela ukusho bantu uyabona ubaba umnqithi wakithi umfana wakithi la eKZN siyamhlonipha at least masingathola yena uyabona nabafana bakhe sebethe ukupick up and least bazokwenza something uyayibona into enjalo and ne game izoba ngiyacabanga izoba la uma ngaba yibo because silana eNatal nabo uyayibona sifuna la eNatal uyayibona into enjalo ngaba mnandi iMarumo Gallants is true basikweleda basidla lapha yana singekho lo no coach wethu wayengakabi right uyayibona into enjalo so ngifisa mina i-Arrows esizoyishaya bese siyaqhubula indaba yase-Africa guys against St Lupopo hayi asiyekeni man akunandaba nayo kuyadlalwa yes asifocuse ngapha ekhaya manje siqukule ngapha sifocus sicollect ama point silokhuze siwin league uyayibona kade sayicina indaba yalena bayadlala nge-22nd that is next Saturday uyabo sobe sesilungise nini khona manje kuyahanjwa kiwe DRC noma kiwapi uyabona seku late already uyabona
okay mhlambe before baba ne angisi i-case sese on
yes
iyenzeka basi Pirates mayibuye iqhubeke ngale khefle ungathini ngalokho
yebo ingaqhubeka is fine kodwa nje mina ngesingami my focus is not there la uyabona nje this is good
ngamagama ufuna ungena ngembobo yenaliti wena
the thing is the bad thing is uyazi uma sike sangena ngembobo yenaliti uyazi ukuthi uyiwina le cup
usho njalo
just like we did uyakhumbula ngo95 asike Sundowns yenza the same thing yes mawungena ngembobo yenaliti end up uyithatha ungaqondile lokuthiwa kuyadlalwa uyabona so ithatha
Baba Macingwane ngiyabonga kakhulu
kakhulu phaka thank you